You can split them apart, you can wear them together, you can accessorize. You know, it just takes no thought. And in the world that we live in, with anxiety up here and depression up here, there's a lot of clutter in our mind, and the less that we have to think about clothing and what to wear, the better. Okay, for me at least.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hello my darlings, it's Dean. Welcome back to another video. This is a short video. I ordered a few pieces from Walmart and I was excited to try them on and kind of play a little bit with them. I wish I would have had more time to play with them, but I had to get dinner started and do all the mom-wife getting ready for the week type of situation. Anyway, that being said, I was able to play around a little bit, and I just wanted to show you the pieces that I got because they're from Walmart, and Walmart, when it comes to plus size goodies, tends to sell out pretty quickly. So I wanted to get you some of the pieces, or get you some of the looks that I created with the pieces that I have found. So that being said, you guys know that I am a sets girl, S-E-T-S. Every time I say sets, I feel like I'm saying sex, which, I mean, 16 years of marriage. But I am a sets girl, and I love sets because they are so easy. I have multiple sets, and as I was doing this video, I realized that I probably want to do a complete sets video. For me, I like that you can break them apart. You can take one top and put it with a different bottom. You can wear it all together. So I'm trying to open it up. You can split them apart, you can wear them together, you can accessorize. You know, it just takes no thought. And in the world that we live in, with anxiety up here and depression up here, there's a lot of clutter in our mind, and the less that we have to think about clothing and what to wear, the better. Okay, for me at least. So the first set that I want to show you is actually one that I did a reel for, and that is the it's from Free Assembly. Let me say that I'm going to leave a link to all of the sets, to the two sets, not all, the two sets that I purchased, and also a few other sets that I have my eye on. I really don't need to, because of course I live in South Florida. But that don't mean nothing. Doesn't mean a thing, because I have a passport and air miles points. That being said, the black on black set, the minute that I saw this set on the Walmart website, I was like, oh, I want my black patent thigh highs. I want my Brandon Black with jumbo quay. Like, this is the look for me. One of the things that I'm realizing is that and maybe I need to talk to my therapist about this. I really am back in the classroom in my head. Like, all of my outfits are like Dean 2013 to 2019. Like, I'm really in the classroom, and that's okay with me. I feel like my style is Chicago, which is where I fell in love with fall style. But yeah, I love this. I love the black on black. Yeah, I love this look. Another reason why I love the black on black look is that there's so many different textures of black for me. I am wearing my patent boots in this look, and I'm wearing the lizard embossed quay, but you guys know that I have the chevron quilted robe, which, listen, that thing was all over London. But I also have, you know, a faux croc black boot. There's just so many ways that you can do black, and I think sometimes when we say black on black, we think it has to be like one specific look, but add some texture. I love the texture. And so again, when I saw this black on black, I was like, oh yeah, like I saw the look in my head, and I'm so glad that it looks the way that I thought it would look. So the other thing, and again, not the other thing, but like I said, the reason why I love the sets is because I can break them apart. And so I got this top. I mean, for me, the way that I'm thinking about breaking it apart, I got this top from, oh gosh, Two collection. And I don't know if I got a video in this. I have to look. I may not have the video. I may just put a picture in. But the black and white striped top from Sainsbury Two collection. There's Sainsbury's Two collection, TU collection, and Tesco is F&F, so I often get those mixed up. But just adding the striped turtleneck and my faux leather jacket from Fashion Nova, totally changed the look. I kept the boot the same. I could have put on a red boot. I could have put on my textured boot. There are so many different things that I could have worn with that pleated skirt. I love the pleated skirt. I love a faux leather pleated skirt. I love the sweater pleated skirt. I love it. I love the texture. I love the feel. And so that's another way that I was breaking up the black skirt. So now to break it up and just wear the black sweater. Again, you don't need to get a black sweater. These are sold separate, right? They're separate sets. So you don't need to get them together. But because I had it on, I got this skirt from, again, Two Collection at Sainsbury's, and I just fell in love with it. And I'm not a long skirt girl. I feel like I have short legs, and so I like to elongate the leg, but I did that with the shoes that I paired the skirt with. So I just did the black sweater with this is actually a denim animal print skirt, and just kept the accessories red, my red Antigona, my red shoes, and I loved it. I loved it. I really loved it. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this. I'm going to see if I would wear this with a black turtle. I don't know, there's just so many different ways. Initially, I wanted to wear it with a red sweater, an oversized red sweater, but yeah, I think I'll be okay. I think I'll be okay with this. So let's break it up. Do I have another look? Hold on. So let's move in to the gray. So I got this look in black and I got it in the gray. Did I get it in the gray? Yes, I did. I'm trying to see. I did the video. I got it in the gray and I love the shade of gray. I actually have a gray set and I got that set from Fashion Nova 3 years ago. It's sitting in storage. And so when I saw this set, I was like, do I need another gray set? And I'm so glad I got this gray set because the other one is a dark gray. If I have a picture of it, I'll slide it in here. I feel like I wore it to Philly because I have it in green and I have it in gray, a dark gray. But I love this particular shade of gray. It's like a sweatshirt kind of gray. And I just love it. I feel like this paired with the red is just chef's kiss, and the vibrancy of this red. I keep on pulling towards my red Antigona other than my red Prada Saffiano tote, and I think it's the vibrancy because I took the red bag out and I took my red Prada bag out and I was like, I love the vibrancy of this red. So I feel like this bag is going to be worn all for fall long. I could go for a deeper red, but anyway, that being said, I love this shade of gray with this shade of red. And so, and the red, I just love it. I just loved it. So that being said, another way to wear this gray skirt, and I actually want to wear it, time ran out, and so I wanted to really put this gray skirt with a denim jacket, like an oversized denim jacket. We'll do that in another video maybe. And I actually have done this color combination with the dark gray skirt, but I wanted to see how it looked with the light gray skirt, and because I have a orange turtleneck, same kind of hue, a little bit more red, but this Shein bag, yes, Shein bag, the orange with the gray and the boots and the bag, this bag, and I feel like they have them like 4 or 5 different colors. This bag was 20 bucks. With Shein, if you treat your Shein right, okay, and you don't, and again, you know, why are we saying this about clothes? But if you treat it lightly, this thing is gonna last me a while. And I just love the way that it looked with this look. I'm gonna pair it with a black turtleneck. I was really trying to give you a little bit of color, but the gray and this bag, this specific bag, and I have it in another color, but this colorway in this Shein bag, to me, just set off the whole look. Like, I know it's about the sets, but this bag, I'm so glad that I got her. I'm so glad. Anyway, quick video. I just wanted to put this video out there because, again, with Walmart, once it sells out, it sells out. They're not going to restock. And so I want to make sure that my ladies with the curves are able to, and my ladies of style, not even my ladies with curves, my ladies were able to get this while it was indeed in stock, because again, I love sets. And if you're someone like me and you just have a lot of stuff going on and you don't necessarily want to think when you're putting your outfits together, it's a simple and easy step. Just add a boot and a cute accessory, cute bag, you know, cute bangles, and you're out the door. So that was it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see just some quick snippets of outfits that I'm putting together, please go ahead and hit like, because that's how I know. Also, you can just let me know in the comments, please. More of these videos for the fall. We need more outfit inspiration. So yeah, all right. Let me get back to my mom duty. Mom duty, dog mom duty, daughter duty, wife duty. Get everybody, including myself, ready for the week. Mwah. Bye.
Go, go.